Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Lightspeed Retail POS. Review my usage experience. Lightspeed Retail POS, judging by the name, is a point-of-sale system for retailers. It aims to streamline sales processes, inventory management, and customer relationship management for small to medium-sized businesses. Key features likely include inventory tracking, sales reporting, and customer database management. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Lightspeed Retail POS positions itself as a user-friendly and comprehensive solution for businesses looking to improve their retail operations. They emphasize ease of use and robust reporting capabilities. Their website highlights pricing transparency, though specific costs vary depending on the chosen plan. They seem to focus on cloud-based technology for accessibility and data security. Availability is generally worldwide, but it's best to check their website for specific regional information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Lightspeed Retail POS. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The setup process was clearly outlined, and I was up and running within an hour. The interface is intuitive, with a clean dashboard providing at-a-glance insights into sales and inventory levels. I particularly appreciated the ease of processing transactions, adding items, handling payments, and issuing receipts felt natural and efficient. The reporting features are excellent, allowing me to easily generate sales reports and track inventory trends. Performance was consistently reliable. I experienced no glitches or downtime during my usage. I had a quick question about integrating with our existing email marketing platform, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful solution. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve for the advanced inventory management features. It took me a few days to fully master them. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed sales analytics. It gives incredibly granular insights into our customer behavior. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Lightspeed Retail POS. It streamlined our sales processes considerably, and the reporting tools have been invaluable. That's my overview of Lightspeed Retail POS. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.